God is saying to you today, my child, I promise you everything will be okay. Believe me. I want you to remember my promise to you. Everything will be okay. Not just okay, but better than you've imagined. Trust in me, lean on me, and let your heart rest in the knowledge that I am with you every step of the way. You may not see it now, but every challenge, every tear is part of a bigger picture, a masterpiece in the making. Just like the night gives way to the dawn, your current struggles will give way to joy and peace. So hold tight to your faith, my child. So when doubts and fears creep in, whisper my promise to yourself. Everything will be okay because He is with me. Let my words be the light that guides you through the darkness. But one day you'll look back and understand how every piece fit perfectly together. Believe in me, and believe in the beautiful plans I have for you. Everything will be okay, my precious one, just believe. Comment, I thank God, if you believe, and share it with someone you love. God bless.